Help me help you.
Hello guys, welcome to Joy Zone Tech. In this tutorial, I'm going to continue my tutorial of Termux desktop customization. This tutorial will be short and easy. Before I guide you through steps, if you are new to this channel, be sure to subscribe my channel and hit that bell notification so that you don't miss new tutorials. If you don't know how to install Termux desktop and Android, you can check out the video from the I section, or I will provide you the link to the tutorial. Open the Termux. Enter the command from the previous tutorial. Go back to home screen. Go to VNC Viewer. Open the Termux desktop. If you have seen the previous tutorial, you will have screen like this. You can play music from here. You can check all these options. If you want to change the style of this desktop, you can do this by selecting Preference. Click on Change Style. And you can select all the different styles from here. If you want to add new wallpaper, you can change by selecting Preference. Click on Wallpaper. And you can select all the different wallpapers from here. If you want to customize the desktop further, you can check out the Settings Manager by selecting Preference and clicking on the Settings Manager. Here you will get many settings by which you can modify the desktop. You can also change the launch appearance of App Drawer by clicking on Preference. Selecting Change Launcher. You can select from the given options. You can modify the appearance of the app windows by going to Open Box Customization Settings. Here you can install or select any given themes to the desktop. If you like this video, please click on like button and comment on which topic should I do next video. Thanks for watching.